Hey everyone, I figured it was time to pick another lock that Leon's Lockpad sent me, and these are some pretty cool locks here. But I think since I've got two of these little Abus cores, one of them has an American lock style kick and driver, and the other one is the Abus style with the limiter on it, so it only let me turn it so far. So let's go with this guy. Got two of them. This one has a key. So let's stick it in the vise. Try not to clamp it up too tightly here. Okay, and this one's made that I can only turn it to the right, regardless of what I try. All right, I think I might have a lock body for either one of these, I think, so we'll have to double check later. All right, the new Abus style keyway. I never have picked this keyway before. And I'm thinking that I might have to use a wiper insert for top of the keyway. That doesn't fit in there brilliantly. Yeah, but it is fitting in there. Okay, I got solid purchase there. And you know what? That is a pretty wide open keyway, even with that Abus writing. To make it look like it has nasty warding, it doesn't have nasty warding. I'm fitting a full width pick in here. This thing's not giving me a ton of feedback, so. Alright, I got my first round of discovery over there, so let's go ahead and start at 1. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. A couple clicks out of 3. A click out of 4. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 6. It's back to the front. 1, 4. Click out of 5. I had to walk 6 up. I'll click out of 1. And I believe I may have overdone 2 there, so I'm going to drop it down. Okay, there's a click out of 2. Nice click out of 3. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 5. Getting some pretty solid clicks here. This is not picking like a stock Abus. This is not picking like a stock Abus at all. Has a very strange feel to it. Pin 2. Yeah, I have no idea what's happening here. This is very odd feeling. I'll change up to a short gem. And bottom of the keyway is not really liking me. And that wrench doesn't feel like it's doing me any favors. Back to my pile of wrenches. I'll try my smallest sparrow tension wrench here. That feels a little better. I wonder if I could stick it right here on this side of the A. Nope. If I thinned it down, it might fit in there perfect, but yeah, I'm getting some pretty good purchase on this one. There we go. I don't know, guys. Something's wrong. That wasn't feeling right, and then all of a sudden I just got them in 1, 2, 3, 4, and they all felt like standards. I don't know. Maybe I'm just having a bad picking day. We all have those from time to time. I'm going to need my small follower. And I've got a key so I can lock this one back up. Okay, looks like I need to... It's got some sort of little pin in there I've never seen before. A little spring-loaded pin right there on the... That must be my rotation limiter. I hope that doesn't keep me from taking this thing apart. Alright, so let me grab a screwdriver and I'll take that clip off. Yep, and it looks like that's going to cause me some trouble. Let's lock it up and see if I can get it with the key. Nope. Not going to happen, folks. That's not going to let me get in there. I wonder if I could shim it. Aha! I think so. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, my smallest follower isn't smallest enough. Let me find my fancy cut-off ink pen. Should be in here. There it is. This thing is just a tad smaller than my smallest follower. Alright. Yeah, that second picking didn't make a whole lot of sense to me. It kind of felt like all standard pins once I got good tension on this thing. But before that, it didn't feel like any Abus lock I've ever picked before. It was very odd feeling. But your tension is one of the keys, folks. Alright, so there we go there. Let's go ahead and pull this shim out. One way or another. There we go. And let's take these pins out. And there's a standard. And it's hollowed out on top, so it's cupped for the spring. And I'm seeing the same thing on 2. Yeah, this is slightly disappointing on the pins here. Okay, there's all of our springs, and there's that limiter back there. I'm going to leave the shim in there, that way I do not disturb that limiter. Alright, so as you can see, we've got all standard pins in this lock. I wouldn't have called that from the get-go. Very strange for an Abus, but I mean, look at the top of this cord. It doesn't leave a whole lot of room for driver pins. Well, Leon's Lock Pad. Thank you for this little Abus core. I've never picked one like it. A little bit of a puzzle to disassemble, but I'm happy to have gotten it. And everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.